Hello and welcome to my How to Webmaster YouTube channel. Here is my progress for January 2021. Here are my views and earnings. It seems to have gone back up since December 2020. Something happened during that month and it was going down by a lot. Let me show you. As you can see here, this is for the last 365 days. Since coronavirus hit right here, the views and earnings has gone up all the way up into December, and then something happened and it went down the entire month. Did you guys also experience something in December that have caused your views and earnings to go down? Or maybe it's just my channel, something happened, I don't know. And then in January of the new year, it's gone back up now, so it's kind of random. So I went from making about $800 a month, and then in December dropped by like $250, and now it's back up to about $750. Let's take a look at the reach. And during December right here, the views and the reach didn't really change that much. It was kind of consistent across here, but somehow it dropped in revenue and earnings by like around 25%. So something really weird happened in December with earnings. I'm not sure, but January has gone back up. So anyways, let me know if you guys experienced something similar. Please comment down below. Thanks so much for viewing. Please stay tuned for next month's updates. Thanks again and happy YouTubing.